Hey guys, it's Jayla. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this finger coil out on my short natural hair using only one product. You ready for this? Let's hit it. Okay, so to start off this style, I'm starting with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair that was wrapped in a t-shirt, and I'm just going to start off by sectioning it. I'm still getting used to having short hair and not being able to just put the top half in a ponytail, but I just wanted to section off only the back to start the coils. So the product I'm going to be using today is called the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed Recipes line. I've never used this before, but since I've been stuck at home during quarantine, I decided to give it a try since I found it in my mom's bathroom. Now I just coated a medium-ish section of hair and I'm going to start my coils. So I ended up making them smaller than this, but I decided to make them not terribly small just because I didn't want to do this all night. So what I'm going to do is let them dry and just separate them in the morning. So taking a look at the directions on this gel, it says that a small amount can be used on clean, dry hair, but this gel works best when used on clean, wet, or damp hair. So my hair is damp, and it says to apply more for tighter curls and less for elongated curls. I can use it for wash and goes, for twist, or coils. As you guys can see, I'm doing coils. And the reason I felt that I could do this style with only this gel, I was kind of nervous at first just because, using gel on its own can tend to dry your hair out, but this gel contains flaxseed and wheat protein, which is rich in omega fatty acids, promotes hair health from the inside out, and helps to prevent dryness and flaking. And it really, really did. Once you guys see the end result, you're going to be like, what? A gel did this? What? So as you guys could see in the last clip, I was coiling with one hand and kind of like twisting the root with the other hand. I really tried to be more gentle at the front of my hair and around my edges just because I need those edges. I want to save them. So I was really trying to be gentle. Plus, I don't want these coils to totally lay flat or be perfect. I'm going to unravel them and pick it out anyway tomorrow. So I wasn't really that pressed to make them look perfect, but I did want them to be uniformly coiled. So I did these about an hour and a half, 2 hours before bed. So I am just checking them out to make sure they don't look crazy and letting them air dry a little bit, enough for me to lay down and go to sleep. If you guys remember, my hair was damp, so it didn't take too long. But wow, look at the kids. Look at the kids. They're doing great. Okay, so the next day I was doing a lot. My manager asked me if I had, a headshot. I'm starting a new role at work, and I was like, if I'm gonna take a headshot, natural hair in corporate, it needs to look bomb. Let me hook this up right quick. So I was kind of taking my coils down in a hurry, but I wanted to get on here and show you guys how I was doing it. So the white stuff you saw on my finger, that was coconut oil. I'm just using this to separate my coils. And it was really easy to differentiate between the ones that I already uncoiled and the ones that haven't been touched, because this curling gel does leave somewhat of a cast on your hair until separated. So when I felt around on my head, I could tell which ones were quote unquote hard, and that meant those needed to be separated. And once I ran my fingers through them with the coconut oil, it was super, super, super duper soft. So I'm finished separating, and yes, the coils look fresh to death, but I really do enjoy big, full, voluminous hair if I can have it. So I'm trying to be easy with the pick because I've been known to over pick and over fluff my hair. But the coils, when I used to do this style for my second big chop, they had a tendency to kind of lay down, and I don't really like that look. I wanted them to stand up. So what I'm doing is using my pick and trying to pick down and out, or up and out, depending on what section of my head that I'm on. But I really wanted the coils to stand up, as I said. So as you can see, I'm trying to pick in an upward motion, but make the motion small as well, because I didn't want to run through my coils and make a big frizzy mess. So getting the style to look right, especially with short hair, takes a lot of patience. And as you can see, I was getting impatient, like whatever, I'm just gonna pin it up. I'm gonna pin it to the side. I'm gonna do something because it's not gonna look right. So I was doing a lot, but eventually it came together. It ended up looking like this when I took my picture. So it wasn't big and full, but at least it was uniform in shape. It wasn't looking flat, so I liked it like this. My edge game is basic, y'all know that. I'll drop the link for my edge brush if y'all want to see it. I got it from Amazon, but I just brush them on back, lay them on down, period, boom. My earrings and my bodysuit are from Pretty Little Thing, if y'all were wondering. I'll drop those links as well, and I'm gonna pick my hair some more. All right, sister girl, you did it. Yes, flex. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're not subscribed already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and like, comment, and share with your friends as well. And if you'd like to keep up with me on a day-to-day basis, my Instagram is _JayByDay_JayByDay. That's me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.